This video is made adult collectors for age 30+. Viewer description is advised. What is up, guys? It is your boy Michael here. Welcome back to the Michael Unboxing. So today I got a surprise for you. Finally, we have the Blokees Transformers 1 Classic Class Megatron. Oh my goodness, this is one of my favorite characters at all time. But this is a really exactly, I'm a really order for the shopping in the Philippines, whatever. So this is a good image. This one likes the rainbow on the background in the Decepticons like logo. This is so pretty cool. And then the classic class and the letters of the title is this, whatever you want. This is a 12 plus 71162 numbers. We have the chest and eyes. Wow, looks pretty cool. We got a no brush, screw, and cutters required for the old needles. So we got 71 pieces of this one by Blokees figures, but this is an R. But every really single this is really cool, the images for the Megatron. And then slide to the box with the Megatron. Has the Decepticons logo, like the Transformers one. I'm really excited. This one, this one here. We got the accessories for the weapons, exclusive weapons, so a mini cannon. No, this is a mini blast. This is a cannon and hands difference, whatever. Dynamic combat stances and robot specified weapons. Oh my god, that's just many weapons right there. And the back of the packaging, and it looks like the bio for the Megatron. I don't know what the story is. I watched the Transformers one with this on the last one. Oh my god. So we gotta post this. So like this one. Oh my god, this was a pretty badass and freaking amazing. And this is our slightly bit. Okay, so we got this one. Oh, I'm not gonna sell, but we gotta enjoy this. Okay, if you enjoy like this video, smash the like, subscribe button, notification bell, so ring the bell, baby, and notify you know the latest videos. And let's go. Okay, so this is one here. I'm not gonna put them on cutter, so for a reason. We know what they're doing is going on here. Okay, so they got carefully. Man, this is so bored. I look at this one. This is kind of the last one of the Optimus Prime in the last video. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh, this is so shiny. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shoot, we got this crap. And let's get it. Oh, remove the plastic. Remove the plastic bag. I'm sorry. Sorry, what you got? Oh, be careful. Oh shoot. Whoa. Freaking heavy opening. Oh, we got this R. So we have the instruction, but this is the images with the logo, and there's the instruction. There's this one here, an English version, not a Chinese version. This one, the Megatron, the model kits. So this is the look same the pictures are here, same the picture, and there's Megatron. Oh, we got the instruction. So we got this instruction. So how much this pieces of a set one? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we have another one, the missing one. That's one of the notes. And we got, oh shoot, I forgot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets on the sets one of these pieces. Alright, let me try this as well. So let's get to build this one. I'm really excited for this one. I am really gonna learn this one here. But I am fans for the Autobots and Decepticons. Well, it was really excited, cool. I can't wait for this. It's some more updates on the unboxing this video. Okay. So let's get it building up. Okay, I'm finishing the building up with the Megatron for the Blokees Transformers 1. This is the 2 legs, 2 arms, and 1 head and 1 chest on the bodies. So let's assemble time. Okay guys, we have the Megatron for the Transformers 1 Classic Class by the Blokees. So there's pretty cool, and this is the new figures and the model kits that I am since the last video for the Optimus Prime version. And this is our really I don't know why this is my favorite Megatron series, but this is a pretty. We have the extra accessories. We have the we gotta see this. We have the fist hands and the open hands. So we got this one. There's 4 different hands up there. All right. So nice, cool details and with the silver paint. I don't know. This is one of pretty cool, and there's a metallic, and then silver metallic is pretty amazing. I love how they did a great job with this with Blokees in this one. Okay, so we have this. Okay, this is stand. So the effects and stands. What's the color red? This is really different. We gotta move on. We have all of the stands with it looks like oh my god, like Cybertronian stands. We have the 2 pins with the 4 holes, you know, to put down their feet, the poses or the pose or whatever you want. And this is art generic. Oh, this is a pretty badass. Okay, so first off, we got a Megatron for the Transformers one. I don't know why this is a pretty cool for this stuff. This is the using cannon. This is there's the hand cannon. This is the cannon. So this is the 3 barrels. What's pretty cool, and then look at details, and then it's nice. Is the blasters when you're like pew pew pew. Oh my god, this is the red metallic. This is a pretty cool. I love that how they did a great job with the print. This is a really cool, and black metallic. Oh, the silver metallic. That's just so cool. And the skirting with the chest, with bodies, armors, with the arms, the shoulders, armors. Looks pretty cool. And this is face looks Megatron. It's so pretty cool. I love the voice of the Brian Tyler. It's just pretty amazing voice actor. He is so one of my favorite. This one, the Transformers series. And the back of this. So this back. Wait, this is some details and it looks pretty cool. I love it in Howland, and this is a really movie, like a version, an 80s version of the G1 version. So this cannon, really. I'm gonna. This is to 17 or whatever this is. It's called 71 pieces. 71 pieces. Sorry. So this one is mini blasters. Mini blasters. You get this one here. I mean, I think the less. But this is awful. This one here, we got the cannon. It looks the blaster one. Okay, so one of them. This is the pretty design that you can Transformers. You can transform for the Cybertronian tank. They're not a transformer into the Cybertronian tank. This is a literally model kit. Okay, like this one. So this is a pretty so really cool. So amazing this. The Decepticons logo. So the Decepticons logo, like a Transformers Bayverse version, since 2007. But this looks not a version of G1 version logo and the original one. But this is let me show you. Open the test. How can I open it? Okay. We got this one. Problem is, I get this one opening. Let me show you. So you're using the cog, and this one is the color red. So you're using a cog with like a Sentinel Prime, and this is the giving it this one Alpha Trion, but this no way. This is Sentinel Prime. Just give it this color red. And so look at this glowing eyes, and this lights up. This is not working. Oh, there we go. You guys get to see the red eyes, the glowing eyes is so cool, and they use a cog for myself. Cog is really cool. Now the difference is more details of the pieces of there's Megatron, and I love how this is so much. And this is a pretty side. This is a little. What about this? You can put on the chest, and this light up the cog, and it's put down into the transform in a vehicle, Cybertronian vehicle. Okay. Well, by the way, this is pretty exciting. So I got this. I'm so messed up with this one in my room. I don't know why this is so. I don't know. Definitely, this is pretty so cool. It's similar. I know this is pretty not a bad. This is pretty great. but this is the metal. This is not a metal. This is a plastic pieces. This the legs, the foot, the legs. So I don't know what is it. This look at this knees. This is the knees, so basically the sickle. I don't know what this one here. This one here. Okay, so articulation time. So you get up and down for the arms, for this swivel with this arms, swivel this shoulders. With this up and down. Oh shoot! I forgot. I'm sorry. I bet it definitely is a really pretty problem to the Megatron's figures. This one there, this up and down, shoulders, swivel, swivel. This is called swivel. Just swivel a little bit. Shoulders of the armors, shoulders of armors, and up and down. So also this is up and down with this up with the armor. Like it's getting rid of the cannons of reason. Hold on. I cannot put this. Oh no, maybe a second. We gotta remove this. There we go. There's this up in here. This is a pretty detailed. There's up and down with this armors and shoulders, and this one up and down with whatever reason. This is a kind of pretty cool armor. Is sort of really suggesting this one here. So they're up and down here. Look at the swivel. I don't have anything swivel. This swivel. Okay, swivel again. Take a swivel. We got the move. We got swivel the head. This is not definitely crunching of the chest. This the swivel. This is a pretty cool. The crunchy. That's not a crunchy. And the scourging, the design, really cool. Looks up this down, scourge it down, up and down, and this one here, up and down. Like is this up and down for the legs. Swivel. Those are toes. And then a little bit up and down. It's just a little bit up and down. So swivel. Just swivel. And this is articulation. This is pretty cool. I don't know why this is a posting. They're posting. Oh, I don't know what this Transformers. So we gotta posting at this one. I would definitely. It's just must this really cool design. This backpack. Into the metallic, and this is one of the pieces. One of the best Transformers movies I've ever seen. I watched the Transformers one. It's pretty cool. It's pretty badass, and I love definitely this really design and paint job, and this metallic job, and I love this good job with this Blokees version. It's just so pretty cool. Here's with the size comparison with the Optimus Prime from Blokees Transformers 1 Classic Class Edition. So here we go, guys. Well, I'm gonna see if I'm gonna posting this one. Pretty sure on this one. I'm gonna stand with this posting. Let's go. So guys, we are finishing with the posting of the Optimus, Megatron, I think. So this is exciting. This is my favorite Decepticons characters. This is and also Autobots logo. I don't know, Autobots characters and something. Yeah, this is pretty sure, right? So many times the 71 pieces of the model kits. I don't know what's the pretty recently, not as bad, but this is pretty great. Details of this, like color paint details of the spray, metallic, and this is a really colorful. I love that how the details was good. There's so much great with this paint details in this only, and it is a really symbolistic. There are the full 2 accessories of hands. There are the weapons there, and it's pretty cool. I'm gonna say so. I'm gonna be rating for the Blokees Transformers 1 Megatron Classic Class is a 9 out of 10. That was so amazing. I love how this is a really job for this one. Okay, this is a pretty excited. So I'm gonna lots of I wanna go to the next unboxing with this video from Blokees or Yellow Part, which means becoming a Yellow Part unboxing for this coming soon. We'll be getting next time here. Okay, I promise. Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave it a like and leave it a like it, and subscribe to the bottom notification bell to the latest videos, and follow us on social medias. So we gotta say, I'm gonna try to make make a YOLO Park this video on or Gunpla, whatever, or the Gundam. This is unboxing you, okay? This is my entire life, okay? I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna label this, okay? So thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you join us. See you there on my next video. Bye, peace.